tired of dealing with uneven surfaces on your woodworking projects? Do you dream of achieving that perfectly flat and smooth finish with ease? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of slab flattening router bits to find the perfect tool for your needs. From the seasoned professional to the enthusiastic hobbyist, having the right router bit can make all the difference. So, let's explore the top 7 slab flattening router bits that promise to transform your woodworking projects. 7. Freud 16-106 Spoilboard Surfacing and Mortising Bit. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Freud 16-106. This 1/4 inch diameter bit is not just about size, it's about precision and durability. Crafted with Freud's renowned cutting-edge technology, this bit slices through wood like butter, leaving you with a flawlessly smooth surface. During my tests, the Freud 16-106 impressed with its consistent performance on various wood types. Whether it was hardwood or softwood, the results were always top-notch. Its anti-kickback design also adds an extra layer of safety, making it a reliable choice for any woodworker. But it's not just about flattening. The versatility of this bit for mortising tasks makes it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Whether you're cleaning up spoil boards or crafting intricate mortises, the Freud 16-106 stands out as a solid performer. 6. Sinoprotools Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. This bit, with its half-inch shank, is a powerhouse designed for efficiency and durability. Its sharp carbide tips ensure a smooth finish, making it a go-to for spoilboard surfacing. In my hands-on experience, this bit from Sinoprotools delivered impressive results. The balance of the bit minimized vibration, allowing for smoother operation and better control. It's clear that Sinoprotools has put thought into the design and performance of this bit. Ideal for large projects, this bit effortlessly levels large surfaces, saving you time and effort. Its durability means you can rely on it for many projects to come, making it a wise investment for any woodworker. 5. POWERTEC 73025 Carbide Tip T-Slot Router Bit. This carbide tip marvel is not your average router bit. Designed specifically for crafting T-slots, it's a game changer for woodworkers looking to add versatility to their projects. During my hands-on time with the POWERTEC 73025, its precision cutting capabilities were immediately apparent. The carbide tip not only ensures longevity, but also delivers a clean, smooth finish that's hard to beat. Whether you're creating custom joinery or adding unique slots to your projects, this bit handles it with ease. Its specialized design opens up a world of possibilities for creative woodworking. For those looking to expand their woodworking repertoire with T-slots and custom joinery, the POWERTEC 73025 is an invaluable tool. Its precision and durability make it a standout choice. 4. CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit. This bit is a workhorse designed for those who demand excellence in spoilboard surfacing. Its robust design and sharp edges ensure a flat, smooth finish every time. My experience with this CNC bit was nothing short of impressive. Its ability to quickly and efficiently flatten large surfaces was a game changer, significantly reducing the time and effort required for spoilboard preparation. Ideal for both CNC enthusiasts and professionals, This bit excels in spoilboard surfacing and flattening large wood surfaces. Its performance is a testament to its quality and design. If speed, efficiency, and precision are what you seek in spoilboard surfacing, the CNC Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bit is your go-to tool. Its durability and performance make it a wise investment. Freud Double Flute Straight Bit. This 1/2-inch diameter double flute straight bit is a masterpiece of engineering. Its design ensures smooth, precise cuts, making it a favorite among woodworkers. In my testing, the Freud 12-190 stood out for its exceptional cutting precision. The double flute design not only enhances the smoothness of cuts, but also improves chip removal, resulting in cleaner workpieces. This bit is incredibly versatile, suitable for a wide range of routing tasks. Whether you're working on intricate details or need precise cuts, the Freud 12-190 delivers outstanding results. For those who value precision and versatility in their routing tasks, the Freud 12-190 is a must-have. Its performance and durability are a clear reflection of Freud's commitment to quality. Freud Depth Rabbeting Bit. This rabbeting bit set offers unparalleled versatility with its multiple bearings for different depths. It's designed for precision and ease of use, making rabbeting tasks a breeze. My experience with the Freud 32-522 was remarkable. The ability to switch between different depths with ease allowed for unmatched versatility in rabbeting projects. The cuts were clean, precise, and consistent across various wood types. Whether you're creating joints, recesses, or simply need precise depth control, this bit set has you covered. Its adaptability makes it an essential tool for any woodworking project. For woodworkers who frequently engage in rabbeting and value flexibility in their tools, the Freud 32-522 is an excellent choice. Its quality and versatility make it a standout option. Sinoprotools Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits. And finally, at the top of our list, we have the Sinoprotools Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits. This 1/4-inch set is the ultimate tool for achieving a perfectly flat and smooth surface on your spoil boards. In my testing, these Sinoprotools bits were a revelation. The precision engineering behind these bits is evident in the smooth, flat surfaces they produce. Their performance is unmatched, making them the best in class for spoilboard surfacing. Designed for those who demand the best, these bits excel in creating the perfect foundation for your projects. Their ability to produce an ultra-smooth surface sets them apart from the competition. If achieving the perfect surface on your spoil boards is your top priority, look no further than the Sinoprotools Spoilboard Surfacing Router Bits. Their superior performance and quality make them the best choice for woodworkers who refuse to compromise. There you have it, the top 7 slab flattening router bits that promise to elevate your woodworking projects to new heights. Remember, the right tool not only makes your work easier, but also enhances the quality of your projects. Choose wisely and happy woodworking.